Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. I'm a part-time reseller and today is my first video of 2023 and I'm doing my December what sold. I'm here at my new office in our new home. I will be giving you guys a tour of my little office. It's pretty much set up. It just needs to be organized. I'm done moving all of my stuff. Everything just needs to be put away. I'm going through my inventory through each bin to make sure everything is like correct. I have the items are in the correct bin and on the correct platforms. So I'll probably do a follow-up video on Wednesday about that. That'll be in my goals for 2023 video. So today we're just gonna go over what sold in December 2022. It was not a lot. I had 8 sales for a total of $85. Okay, so I know what you guys are saying, like, what did you sell? Everything that I sold was under $20. But to be fair, I did put my closet on vacation mode around the 22nd because I was just over it. And by that time, we were in the process of moving. We had just closed on the house. So I just put my closet on vacation mode, given that I was going to move everything. So I just didn't want to deal with sales. I just had my first sale today and I have no idea where the item is. I'm sorry if I keep shaking you. This little ring light is kind of flimsy, but yeah. So I have a sale, my first sale of 2023, and I have no idea where it is. That's why I'm trying to go through each bin. It's not where it says it's supposed to be, but I remember I did take it out of inventory because I put it in a live show. So I think it's somewhere at my parents' house. So I might go back to my parents' house at the end of the week. But let me go over my 8 sales in the month of December. I know it's pitiful, but I want to be transparent because, yeah, I know I did not have the best sales in December. But I want to share them because in 2023, we are going for it. And I want to look back a year from now and see how far I've come. So the first sale of December was this Torrid Slayer band t-shirt. I got this shirt for $1 at my local Goodwill. And it sold for $18. This really nice girl sent me an offer and she sent me a really nice love note. So I was happy to sell that to her. She sent me an offer for $18 and I accepted. Up next, this was in one of my $50 challenge videos from last year. And it finally sold. Somebody sent me an offer for $16. I paid $8 for this dress. So I'm not making much profit, but I'm moving old inventory. This vintage Y2K formal maxi dress sold for $16. So I'm making like a $4 profit. Another item I've had for years, this vintage novelty print skirt. I mean, it wasn't like mid-century vintage. It was like a Y2K reproduction of a 50s vintage circle skirt, if that makes sense. It sold for $10. This was in a buyout that I did from a friend's closet. So I've already made my money back. So this was just pure profit. I mean, I'm cashing out $7. So I'm making $7. My screen right here. So I'm looking at my sales. December 7th, these Jimmy Choo gold leather slingbacks sold for $15. Jimmy Choo's for $15. I got them at the swap meet for $5. I'm making $7 profit. To be fair, these shoes were really small. I think they were a size 5. They were tiny. Moving forward, I don't think I'll ever pick up shoes this small again, regardless if they're designer, because they sit around forever. And they were damaged. They were not in the best condition. They had lots of scratches. The soles needed to be replaced. So I found them for $5. I sold them for $15. So somebody got a pair of Jimmy Choo's for $15 on Poshmark. Up next, these Ellie platform shoes. I got these for $2 at the swap meet. I follow Alicia from Married Life and she always posts how she sells stripper heels on eBay and she says she gets good money for them. I struggle to sell these. I still have 2 more pairs. I mean, I got them for $2 and they're brand new. They're not used. So got them for $2. I sold them for $9. I mean, I'm making $4. This month has been the worst sales. Like, I accepted every offer. Up next is Friday the 13th. T-shirt. I got this shirt for $1. It sold for $5. My earnings were $2, so I made $1. See, these are the worst sales ever. I'm the worst person to follow right now at the moment. And then my last sale of December was this Gymshark t-shirt. Sold for $9. I paid $1 for it. I'm cashing out $6.05. I'm making $5. So not a lot of money here. All in, my total sales on Poshmark was $85 minus my cost of goods. I'm sitting at around $60. So not bad. I mean, for zero effort, it's an easy $60. But if you're obviously trying to make some profit, not the best month and not the best year at that. So I'll be back on Wednesday with my 2022, what sold, my total numbers, full transparency, and my goals for 2023. And I'll give you a little tour of my room. I mean, it's just a bedroom, but I do have my rack set up. I have my work station, my desk, my work computer. I'm still trying to figure out my lighting because it does get really dark in here. So yeah, I'm so excited. Lots of fun coming in 2023. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.